Let's talk about Julian Bowen Coxmoor solid oak dining chairs, oak, brown, set of 2. Set of 2 solid American white oak dining chairs in a durable oiled finish and featuring a padded brown faux leather seat. A wide range of coordinating items are available in the Julian Bowen Coxmoor range, making it ideal for any home situation. Self-assembly required. Dimensions DXWXH, 50 by 45 by 90 cm. Seat DXWXH, 42 by 43 by 47 cm, seat pad to top of back 42 cm. A little tricky to assemble as the cross pieces have an angle front and back which you need to take note of, not shown in the instructions. I, of course, got it wrong the first time and had to take it apart to rectify. Don't let that put you off though, as they look really good and are reasonably comfortable. For the price you will be lucky to find better. I couldn't believe it when these chairs were delivered the next day. I have already put 2 of them together. The first took me an hour, but that was because I had to get things the right way around. The next one only took 40 minutes, not bad for my age. I'm 71. They look nice and are very comfortable. I'm really pleased with them. My old chairs were my mother's and were bought when I was 18.